हियर इंडिया के साथ साथ फ्रांस भी है, चाइना भी है और भी बहुत सारे कंट्रीज है. यस, बिकॉज इंडिया इज इन द मिडल एंड दे आर लाइक पोजिशनिंग इन दैट कि वर्ल्ड में हम कहाँ पे है, बहुत सारे बड़े हैं, आगे है, बट यू डोंट नो दैट टेक्नोलॉजी में हम कितने बड़े हैं. एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन औरंगाबाद. एक्चुअली इंडिया में महाराष्ट्र एक स्टेट है. महाराष्ट्र में अगर देखा जाए तो औरंगाबाद इज वन ऑफ द प्लेस. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा या पता भी होगा, लेकिन आई डेफिनेटली से दैट कि आपको ये पता नहीं होगा जो एप्लीकेशंस यहाँ पे बनते हैं. टेस्ला इज ऑल्सो यूजिंग दैट, निसान इज ऑल्सो यूजिंग दैट, इवन अमेरिका, जापान, जर्मनी, चाइना इज ऑल्सो यूजिंग दैट. सो इन शॉर्ट वी जस्ट वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू और मैम की ये जर्नी कैसे चालू हुई, कैसे हुआ, एंड दिस इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. वी आर हियर एट a grindmaster in Aurangabad, renowned name in the industry, in the technology, in the like metal, nano, robo finish. I have seen all the factory now. So let's discuss about that. So can you please introduce about yourself?
Yeah. So I'm Mohini Kelkar, Managing Director of Grindmaster Machines Private Limited, a company based in Aurangabad and having a global footprint. I'm proud to say that we started in a small garage with a small investment of 25,000 rupees way back in 1981. In a very small way, but with the ambition of developing technology.
Okay.
Myself and my husband both are engineers from Vizetia, and so we had this dream of creating technology in India, and then expanding to the world. So we always had the global ambitions, and that is the result of that. So in short, we are into metal finishing, deburring, nano finishing, and robotic finishing technologies, which are applicable in automotive, engineering, home appliances, and like every metal needs some kind of deburring and finishing.
Okay. So main application is finishing.
Yeah,
and deburring.
correct.
Yeah.
Surface finishing and surface deburring.
Okay.
And we went on developing these various applications and technologies over a period of 35 years. I think our passion for innovation is the root cause of all these developments, and the wide range that we have probably nobody has in the world. So in the world we have competition in individual areas, like there will be a deburring competitor, but he will not be concerned about micro finishing or metal finishing. So being in India, we also got a lot of opportunities to develop, because Indian makers really wanted these solutions, and European machines were very expensive, and also not as applicable to Indian market, because Indian conditions of manufacturing are totally different.
Yes. So this is a gap in the market you identified.
And so we developed these machines basically initially for Hero Group or Tata Group, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj in India. And then we spread our wings in the world and spread it to China, which I am very proud of. That's
actually great. So we mean to say China is only exporting to India, but India is also.
So we are exporting high technology machines which compete with the German and Japanese machines in China. We are indeed not competing with Chinese and selling on the basis of low cost.
That is not the criteria.
We are selling as a value product,
quality and value,
and the technology product. So this is why we are selling in China to auto OEMs like Renault, General Motors, Nissan, and companies like that, having base in China. After this, we had the ambition to get into Japan, and so I'm very proud to say that we are doing some good R&D work and machines for Nissan and Mazda in Japan.
That's good actually.
We have quite a lot of repeat orders from.
It's a great achievement. And Japan के बारे में कहा जाए तो Japan is only the quality.
Quality, and we did R&D project for them. So this I'm really proud of, because the finishes which were not easily achieved by them, were achieved by us. So for all these companies, and Komatsu is also one more Japanese name. The Japanese teams came to Aurangabad just to see what we are offering or what technology we are talking about. So basically, we feel that export is necessary. The ambition of exports really elevates you.
Yes.
It brings the whole organization at different level.
The international level,
So,
global exposures.
Yeah. So although there is a good big market in India, I still believe that export is necessary for your own reason. They say that you have to select a good customer.
Yes.
And I do believe that a customer teaches you a lot of things.
Actually,
The demands from the customer.
Yes,
You develop something in any product for that matter if the customer demands it.
Yes.
And that is what we always thought, and that is what led to so many developments and improvements in our.
So growth happens because of this only.
Yeah,
because they demand you something and you are again developing that part, and so that is why.
Yeah. So I would say that all of you, I wish you good luck for your exports and your global footprint. I think today is the time for India.
Yes, actually.
With China plus strategies that most of the companies have.
Yeah.
Indeed, there is a big chance for Indian makers to export.
Yeah.
All European and US based companies are looking at India.
Yes.
For new parts and new technologies, everything.
So India is the global market now.
Now, so it is now the time, and I wish you good luck to capture this opportunity immediately.
Yes.
I would say now or never.
Yeah, actually.
If you raise several doubts now, then better do never.
And I like this actually. Now or never.
Now or
so
never.
जैसे है ना कि बहुत सोचते जाओ फिर बाद में कि never मत करो, या फिर better है कि अभी करो और फिर बाद में देखेंगे कि क्या सोचना है उसके बारे में.
करो, and I am sure you will succeed. Now is indeed the time. Yeah.
And yes. We actually मैं कहूँगी कि आप तो proud हो, you are also proud of this setup and all, but we feel so proud being in Indian actually कि like हमारे इंडिया में भी ऐसी कंपनी है जो वर्ल्ड को सप्लाई करती है, and we can beat definitely with you to China, to Japan and to Germany also. That is a huge like achievement for India. That is must we can say. So मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो आपकी जर्नी आई, so what are the challenges you faced in this journey?
See, the challenges are always the opportunities.
Yes.
So if I talk about it, they are too technical.
Okay.
But I would only say that every challenge that we face right from the day one, they created new opportunities for us. And I do firmly believe in this.
Right.
So I do believe that recession is good. The pandemic is good.
That's great actually.
All these hurdles and challenges are good for us, because that every challenge has strengthened us, brought out new products, and also the change within the company to be more effective and efficient.
Yes.
So
it gives us
and no business will have no challenges. I mean, if you are in a business, you are in a business because there are challenges.
That's actually true. So don't run away from the challenges. Like, they will actually build you. They will actually set a foundation for your new growth actually. So that is most important. But still, I will say like challenges are good actually. You should face that. But for facing the challenges, what is the basic motivation you have?
That is, I think, our survival instinct, and more or less everybody has that. It is that you have to make it anyhow. I mean, we always feel that okay, this is a challenge. Even in the pandemic, there were months where the sale was near zero. But not only we, so many Indian companies survived and thrived.
Yes.
So this means that there is a basic survival instinct in all human beings. And so it must be in the enterprise as well.
Yes, that should be.
And that sails you through.
Okay.
If you have a negative attitude or give up kind of approach, then there is a problem. Then you have to be positive, and I think that is how we are.
Actually. So while that is actually the good thing, we should never give up actually, and we should start again and again, and then we will get the results. So while you are interacting with Japan, Germany, and a lot of big companies, actually big brands of the world, so what are the main thing you need to take care while connecting with them, or like that?
No, see, actually every country and the customer operates in a different way. So we have to first understand how they operate, what exactly they want. Though we have the technology, it needs to be engineered or tailored to suit that
their
particular needs, and every country has a peculiarity. So for exporters, I would say that you shortlist 1 or 2 countries. Don't try everywhere all the time. Keep a focus, like we keep focus in our product or what technology you want to develop. Similarly, there has to be a focus in which markets you want to export. And with that experience, then you, if it is not working out, then switch to the next country. So you have to first understand which countries will be right for you to export. And that is what we did. And
so have a focus. And then you can go ahead.
And if some country doesn't work, just leave it. Don't feel bad about it. And that is one of the things I observed, that particularly Maharashtrians, they take it too much to the heart. Every failure, actually you just learn from it and move on.
There are always, that is the only fundamental.
Just you can fail faster. That is better than keep on working on something forever and then depending that it's not working. Everything will not work. All the markets are not your markets.
All products are not
products are
markets are same thing.
You have to observe and adopt yourself.
So in this, like 81, right? I started. I have not birth also at that time. So it is throughout, like in the more than 40 plus years you have like survival in this industry. What are the major failure or challenge or any problem you face, and how you overcome that?
So as I explained to you, you have to have the tenacity to overcome the issues. There were problems which were highly technical. So if I explain you may not be able to understand. But the point is, no problem is not solvable. Number one.
Solution is always there.
Solution is always there. And there is a corollary to this, that every solution has another problem.
That's a good point.
So you have to think that you live with the current problem or you solve it
and face again another problem.
Have another problem which is always there. It may be smaller or of different nature, whatever. But you need to be ready for that.
So what is your biggest motivation?
Biggest motivation has been right from the day one to develop, to create a footprint, like to globally we want to be known as masters. When we had the name grindmaster, we were not. But we wanted to be masters in grinding and polishing. And that is why that is why the name grindmaster. Just work at that with a focus.
And actually this is the different question, but it is also mandatory, necessary question. Being a woman, actually you are in this business from so many years. So how you handle work and family and everything?
I think this question should also be addressed to men.
Actually.
Also equally responsible to take care of the family. But women have to do something more for the family. And fortunately, I had the good family backup. My in-laws were very supportive, and so we stayed in a joint family, and it was much easier to take care of
because a lot of people are there.
Correct. They were able to take care. But I want to make a point here that these are very minor challenges. The challenges of running a business and making it profitable and grow it year on year is a much bigger challenge. Don't get stuck up with the woman kind of challenge.
That is actually biggest point here.
So being a woman is challenging or not, don't get into that. It's a smaller challenge anyway. And the challenges of business are there for men also and for women. So focus more on that and work at it.
How you go ahead. So this is a good point actually. Yeah. But
Because-
just right. One last only. So like what you advise to the young entrepreneurs and who want to enter in this business?
Yeah.
So what is your advice to them?
Yeah, enter in this means engineering kind of
Any,
business?
like in the business or in
Any
engineering or
Okay.
in the export.
Yeah. So I would say now or never. Like there are currently the kind of opportunities which are there for every business. Take it from say even food products. Take it from there to the high tech technology, aerospace technologies,
Yes.
or giving service or developing some software. Take any field and there are big opportunities currently.
Yes.
So whichever field you are in, there are global opportunities. So grab it with both hands.
Yeah.
Is what I want to
That's a
say.
good point actually. So once again, thank you so much, ma'am. We feel very nice to be here and see all these things and technology in it. And thank you so much by my audience also, by my students also. You are here and shared a lot of wisdom and experiences. So thank you so much. And we wish you all the very best to Grindmaster. India will be known as a Grindmaster and Grindmaster will be known as India actually. So that's it. Yes, take care and God bless.
Thanks.